Go? 17 years? Saka lang siya na-register? How is that so? Why did you allow it? Can you kindly explain on this committee? Anong provision ng PSA nakalabas na pwede tayo magkaroon ng late registration as long as this kind of situation that Mayor Alice Guan go have encountered 17 years tapos niregister natin? Correct, ma'am?
Yes, po.
Siguro 40 years ka doon, nasa PSA ka na. Have you encountered this issue of Alice Go? Late registration? Ano po yung policy po natin sa late registration?
Meron po kami procedure on the late registration. Actually, we consider po na timely ang registration kapag na-register siya within 30 days.
Within?
Upon birth po. Dapat na i-register siya in 30 days po.
Reason why we wanted to invite those people who are responsible for receiving the copies coming from the LCR. Tingnan po natin yung kung sino ang mga ito. At especially sa province ng sa Banangaling, May Kawayan, Bulacan. Sila yung depository. Sino yung head ng depository nyo? We need to invite them.